Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Liana binti Muhamad Fitri from Firdaus. How are you guys doing today? Hope all of you are doing well. So today, I'm going to show you how to make cake batik. Let's start now. Enjoy this video, okay? Before we start the procedures, let's prepare the ingredients first. The ingredients are 200 gram Milo, a cup of condensed milk, 250 gram butter. You can choose either butter or margarine. 25 gram cocoa powder, and the last one is a pack of Mary biscuits, 300 gram. Don't forget to break these Mary biscuits into small pieces. First, we need to melt this butter in low heat. It only takes 5 minutes. Stir this mixture, but don't take too long. Next, we can add this condensed milk. After that, we have to add 200 gram Milo. Stir until well combined. Then, we can add 25 gram cocoa powder. In some recipes, we don't need to put cocoa powder, but I prefer to put it. Stir all this until well combined. And turn off the heat. Afterwards, we can add Mary biscuits in this mixture of cooked ingredients. Mix until all combined. Scoop into a container. And press firmly with the back of ladle.
This is very good. Very good.
That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Nabila's YouTube channel. Bye. Assalamualaikum.